Welcome back. Well, from the Korean American Club, we have a couple guests here today. We have Peter Chong, who's a president of that club, and then we have also David Chang. And David is a singer, and he's going to be singing at one of their upcoming events. So I'd like to welcome both of you.
Thank you.
So Peter, first tell me about the club in general, and when did it start? I know you've been on our show a couple times before.
Right. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm glad to be here with Mr. David Chang. He's a great tenor singer. Then we're going to have a musical night on June 22nd.
Yeah.
Yeah, next Saturday, next week. Saturday.
Next week, okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And that's going to be at the Performing Arts Center?
Yeah, right, Club 3.
Okay,
mm-hmm.
Very good. So this is a show, I know you've put on some programs in the past.
Yes.
And that you were part of. It's sort of a multi-thing program. You got many things going on. Is that going to be the case this time around? Where I know you'll be singing, but will there be other folks as well?
Yeah, well, now he's the main singer.
Okay.
How many 노래 몇 곡 부르실 거예요?
토탈 10몇 곡.
About 10 some singers.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, but he have some assistant and some extra singers. There are some Chinese, some Japanese, and some Korean.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, it's going to be a wonderful musical night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how long is the program about?
몇 시간이나 걸릴까요?
거의 2시간.
About 2 hours.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember last time, was it in January you had a show, didn't you? Or a while back? I remember you came on. We're talking about
January.
Yeah.
I was, yeah.
Yeah, I think it was right at the end of January. And along with Korean music, do you have other music as well?
Well,
or is it kind of a mix? Because I think last time there was a little bit of a mix of music.
I think you're talking about the Arirang Festival that we had
that
in
one,
October
yes.
last year.
Yeah, okay.
But it's not only singing now, it was a cultural dance, singing,
Okay.
and vocal dance, and every kind of cultural show.
Yeah.
But this is only singing, only singing, musical.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long have you been singing? Is this something you
노래 몇
grew
년
up
동안
doing?
평생 불렀어요.
수십 년이죠.
자세히 얘기하세요.
For the year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So a long time then. And do you sing like a more traditional Korean music, or do you sing more something that might be a little bit newer? I don't really know
한국
Korean
전통적인
music.
노래 불러요? 아니면 신식 음악 불러요? 어떻게 해요?
아니 뭐 한국 전통
한국 전통 노래 그리고 세계 명곡도 불러요.
명곡, yeah.
Yeah, well, some Korean traditional song and also world class singing.
Oh, okay.
World class song. Yeah.
All right. And as far as the program goes, how do you figure out what kind of music you're going to sing? I know that Peter have told me about you before. You've been on before, and you do many different things. And how do you put together a program like this?
그러니까 이번에 어떻게 프로그램을 어떻게 이제 적어내고 만들었냐고 하는데.
솔로 있고.
솔로.
듀엣.
두엣.
남자 듀엣, 여자 듀엣.
Male duet and female duet.
Okay.
합창도 있잖아.
피아노 있고.
피아노, 바이올린.
트럼펫.
트럼펫.
Oh, okay. So a little bit of everything.
Yeah, everything.
Now, is it solely based on Korean songs, or do you sing some classical, operatic, European type music?
그러니까 뭐 한국 음악 전공이니까 뭐 이건 전체적인 음악을 부르는 거죠.
진짜 오페라 곡도 있고.
Some operas.
Okay.
프랑스 노래도 있고.
French music.
Chinese 노래도
Chinese
있고.
music.
Wow.
한국도 노래 있고 다 있어요.
Yeah, every kind.
All right. Wow. So you've got to know other languages as well, or at least as far as the singing goes.
Well, David, he was born in Korea. His parents are Chinese.
Okay.
But he went to high school in Seoul, Korea, Chinese school in Seoul, downtown Seoul.
Okay.
And then, he went to Taipei for majoring in music.
Mm-hmm.
So he majored in singing,
Right,
and
right.
vocal music, in Taipei University, National University.
All right, so you really learned international music, not just.
국제적으로 이렇게 노래를 이렇게 이제 그 공부를 하셨고,
Yeah.
Wow.
He's a good experienced singer.
And how long have you been here? How long have you lived in this
라구나 쪽에
country?
그냥 사는 거리 계세요.
5년, 6년 정도.
Well, 5 or 6 years. 6
Oh,
years.
okay. All right. And I know your club has been, how long has it been around? A couple years or a little bit longer?
What do you mean?
Your Korean American club.
Oh,
here.
we've been here since a long time ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think officially 1999.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, or 20 years.
Yeah.
And then now we are very active, and Korean population is growing in
Yes.
numbers here now. So
Yeah.
we are very active.
Yeah,
now.
very much so. And you know, you put on a couple things throughout the year, like the festival in October. You're going to do that again this year?
Yeah, it,
That was very
correct.
well.
Yeah, it was
big.
September
Yeah.
22nd. Many people, not only Korean, but
Yes,
you know,
yeah.
even Americans here and Chinese, they recommend me. They encourage me to do again, anchor show.
Oh, you should, yeah.
So I'm so much encouraged, and then our board members agreed that we will do again. You know.
Yeah,
so we're
I
gonna
remember
show,
it was
we're gonna show better show than last year.
All right, it was very popular. I remember
Yeah,
that.
thank you.
David, what do you do? Like when you're singing this performance coming up, but do you sing elsewhere? Do you sing like at community centers and other cultural events?
그러니까는 여기서도 이렇게 하시는데 외부에서도 가끔 노래 부르세요? Yeah.
Okay.
He sings outside sometimes.
So outside throughout the area
Yeah,
with
yeah.
some of the other Korean communities.
Korean
and all.
community and Chinese
Chinese.
community.
Have you ever gone over to Europe to sing, or
유럽에도 가서 불합판 가서
other
했어요.
countries,
No.
or back? Did you go back to Korea to sing?
한국에서 했고
한국 옛날에 했고
옛날에 long time ago.
Oh, okay.
Chinese.
All right.
Well, he's been in America. 미국에 오신 지 몇 년 되셨죠?
82년도
82년대. He came to America in 1982.
Oh wow.
That's 37 years ago.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
he's been in America a long time.
All right, very good. So again, this is coming up and next weekend, right?
Next weekend.
Yeah, Saturday.
Saturday. Next
And
week.
at the Performing Arts Center, and they can get tickets there now.
Yeah, $5.
Oh, that's all, just
Yeah,
$5.
only $5.
Wow.
You know. But this is not for his profit gain, but he opens this musical night fundraising for North Korean defectors
Okay.
and some foundation.
Oh,
here-
very
here.
good, very good.
So it's a charity musical night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Well, thank you very much. It's good to see you again. Thank you,
you.
Peter. Always good to see you.
Thank you.
You
Thank
take care. Come back again soon,
Okay.
and we'll be right back.